the funny thing, Jeremy was always the smallest guy, but he always seemed to make friends with the biggest guy.
If we're ripping up, coming down. If we're coming up, going down. So if you're coming with an upper hook, rip the hook down. If you're going with an overhand, rip the hook back through. Okay. Use that because you're wound anyways.
Winding it up.
Yeah. Okay. See what I mean?
So we're always trying to get two out of it.
Yeah, you might as well. Yeah. If he's there, unless he's already on his ass.
All right.
Then we ain't gotta worry about it. But if he's there, hit him. Let it come at you this time. Cut angle. Ha, ha. Body, head. Okay? So, here. Yes.
All right, left hand, body, head.
Yep. Beautiful. Or body, head, body. There it is. Oh, watch your legs.
There's a commercial back home, and it instilled me when I was a kid. It said early is on time is late, and as late is completely unacceptable. So I'm early for wherever I go.
3. 10 seconds, don't quit. You got this, come on. Come on. Time.
When you think about world records, there's not going to be an asterisk next to my name and say that guy was a dwarf. No, that guy has the world record at 123. Doesn't say dwarf, doesn't say black, doesn't say white, doesn't say orange, doesn't say purple. If you want to get all the labels and stigmas out of the way, you're just somebody who did something miraculous. That's great. You don't need to say you're a dwarf, you're black, you're white, you're a woman, you're transgender, you're whatever. Everybody is a person. And if you want to be accepted in society, don't label yourself and cast yourself out as different. And yeah, I'm different, but I don't like the look of myself as different. If you put a label on yourself, you're putting a barrier on yourself. My dad basically sat me down. He's like, hey, like, you're not gonna get any different. Like, this is where you're at. You're not gonna grow. You're gonna have to figure out and accept who you are before anyone else accepts you. At a young age, you gotta realize, hey, nothing's gonna change. You gotta figure out, you gotta create the world that you wanna live in. One day, I'm gonna type in Jeremy Smith. I'm not gonna have to type in dwarf behind it, but the people are gonna know who Jeremy Smith is, the person, before, you son of a bitch, before anything else.
Was your mommy's bitch cheerleader?
No.
Huh? Oh, okay. Just wanted to make sure.
Jeremy's like, no.
What are we supposed to say?
I'm gonna ask you.
Oh, okay, sorry. Sorry, I was like, I'm getting ridiculed.
So Jim, tell me
Yes.
your life story.
A tragedy.
After I met you, yeah.
Shit.
So at first I squatted 650. That was first world record, and I broke that. And then recently we just squatted 700 at 123. So that's the lightest to ever squat 700. At the same time, I benched 500 just to fuck around, and got it, and basically in the lightest to bench 500.
But he has broke 5 world
Yeah.
squat records
Yeah.
all time and 2 all-time bench records.
Right.
Yeah.
So 7 all-time world records.
I saw potential. Then potential turned into talent.
That's kind of how.
Sometimes it don't work, but it worked in this case. He come here to break world records, and he's accomplished that. Now in the boxing, doing the boxing he's doing, it's going to bring a lot of attention to small people. I think it's good because a lot of people don't have a self-esteem. They think I'll never accomplish anything because I'm small. And I think he's going to change that around a lot. But he's got the right guy here, Travis, helping him, and he's doing a hell of a job. I'll be honest, I like tough people.
You got this, buddy. You got this.
I don't like people that aren't tough.
Get up that hill. Get up that hill. You're almost there, baby. You're almost there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Time.
The world don't have enough tough people in it now.
He's got one more in him.
Yeah, no shit.
Jeremy Dynamite Smith, where I think he's going to win.
He's got his own corner, man. He's got the Bam Bam Bigelow fire tattoos on the skull.
Holy shit, that guy is corner man scary. Holy
Oh
cow.
my God.
Throwing that That's like when you used to watch like America's Most Wanted as a kid.
Come on, five, come on, come on, stick, time.
Two, three, five, halfway there. 9, 10, and we're gonna hold for 4, 5, 6. Oh, my neck cracked on that one. What the heck? Last one. 10. Yes, we did it.
Hey, you take a half step back. Half step back because you're proud of yourself, you understand? So to get it here, take a half step back, okay? You got this, baby. This is your time. 1 fucking minute. 1 minute. You got this. Come on, Jeremy.
Put it down, give it up for him.
I know. What happened was the other week when I was benching, I popped my ulna out of my socket 3 times. And I popped it back in during the meeting.
Really?
Yeah. So I gotta get that work. And that was last week.
Is it working still, or is it?
Yeah, I can punch, but it hurts. Like the other day I took a bamboo bar and it fucking hurt just getting like 1 kettlebell out with it. And you can feel the difference, you know. Like feel that, right? Put your finger right there, there's the bone. Right? I feel that one. Yeah. Yeah, but everything was working good. Everything's working. Everything was working.
Hey, do that half step back. You fucking lit him up with that.
And then we threw that up.
Yeah, the uppers, yeah.
I was looking for that. So I kept on saying that. Seesaw punch.
Yeah, it was there. Boom, boom, yeah.
You know? Oh, it was close.
That's how he used to get crowded against some ropes. I'm like, do that. Take a half step back and open yourself up. It makes it so much better.